The shadow economy refers to economic activities that are not recorded and regulated by the government. These activities often avoid taxes and official rules, making them part of the informal or underground sector. It includes both legal but unreported work and illegal activities like smuggling. While it provides livelihood opportunities, it also reduces government revenue and affects economic transparency. Shadow economy types. The shadow economy includes different kinds of unreported and unregulated activities. These can range from small informal businesses to completely illegal operations. Informal sector activities. These are legal economic activities but carried out without formal registration. Businesses operate on a small scale with limited capital and technology. No compliance with tax rules, labor laws, or licensing requirements. Workers are usually self employed or engaged in family based work. Payments are mostly made in cash without proper records. Workers do not receive job security or formal employment contracts. No access to social security benefits like insurance, pension, and paid leave. Common sectors include street vending, small shops, agriculture, construction, tailoring, and repair services. Act as a major source of employment for low skilled and migrant workers. Entry and exit are easy due to low regulatory barriers. Illegal activities. These activities are completely prohibited by law and punishable. Involve production or distribution of banned goods and services. Operate secretly to avoid detection by law enforcement agencies. Often linked with organized crime networks and corruption. Generates large amounts of black money and unaccounted wealth. Include activities like drug trafficking, smuggling, human trafficking, illegal mining, and counterfeit products. No legal protection, individuals face severe penalties if caught, undermines law and order and social stability, can negatively affect public health and safety, difficult for government to control due to hidden nature, unreported economy, refers to income that is deliberately not reported to tax authorities. Activities themselves are legal but income is hidden to avoid taxes. Businesses may underreport sales, profit, or wages. Transactions are often done without bills, invoices, or receipt. Encourages tax evasion and reduce government revenue. Common in sectors dealing with cash transactions like retail and services. Difficult to track due to lack of transparency and documentation. Affects fairness in the tax system and creates inequality among taxpayers, leads to misrepresentation of actual economic performance. Unrecorded economy includes activities that are not captured in official data and statistics, occurs due to weak data collection systems and poor monitoring, common in rural, remote, and underdeveloped areas, involves small scale production, local trade, and household based work. Transactions are informal and undocumented, not always intentional, may result from lack of awareness or infrastructure, leads to an underestimation of GDP and national income, make it difficult for government to design accurate economic policies, reflect gaps in administrative and statistical systems. Unregistered economy consists of businesses that are not registered under legal frameworks, operate without licenses, permits, or tax identification number like GST, avoid compliance with government regulations and standards, often small enterprises trying to avoid cost of formalization, workers are employed without contracts or legal safeguards, limited access to banking service, loans, and government benefits, difficult for authorities to monitor, regulate, or tax such as activities, leads to loss of government revenue, contributes significantly to the growth of the informal sector. Shadow economic causes. The shadow economy develops due to a mix of economic, social, and institutional factors. It often grows when people and businesses find it difficult or costly to operate within the formal system. High tax rates and tax burden. When taxes are high, individuals and businesses try to avoid paying them by operating informally. Complex laws and regulations. Lengthy and complicated procedure for business registration, licensing, and compliance discourage formal participation. Unemployment and poverty. Lack of job opportunities forces people to work in informal sector to earn a livelihood. Corruption and weak governance. Bribery and weak enforcement of laws allows illegal and unreported activities to continue. Lack of awareness. Many small businesses owners are unaware of legal procedures, tax rules, and benefits of formalization. Weak legal and institutional framework. Inefficient judiciary and enforcement agencies fail to detect and punish offenders effectively. Cash-based economy. Heavy reliance on cash transactions make it easier to hide income and avoid taxes. High cost of compliance. Cost related to registration, taxes, and maintaining records push small businesses toward informality. Impact of shadow economy. The shadow economy has both positive and negative effects on a country's economic system. While it provides livelihood opportunities to many people, especially in developing nations, it also creates serious challenges for governance, taxation, and economic planning. Positive impacts of shadow economy. Employment generation provide jobs to unskilled and semi-skilled workers who may not find opportunities in the formal sector. Source of livelihood help low-income groups and poor households meet their basic needs. Encourages small businesses allow small entrepreneurs to start businesses with low entry barriers and minimal regulations. Economic flexibility offers flexible working hours and informal arrangements that suit certain workers, act as a buffer in economic crisis. During recessions or job losses, people turn to informal work for survival. Negative impacts of shadow economy. Loss of government revenue. Tax evasion reduces the funds available for public services like education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Unfair competition. Informal businesses avoid taxes and regulations, creating an uneven playing field for formal businesses. Poor working conditions. Workers face unsafe environments, low wages, and lack of job security. Lack of social security. No benefits such as pension, insurance, or paid leave for workers. Economic inefficiency. Lack of regulation leads to low productivity and poor quality of goods and services. Encourages corruption. Hidden transactions and illegal activities promote bribery and corruption. Difficulty in economic planning. Since activities are not recorded, governments cannot accurately estimate GDP or plan policies effectively. Increased income inequality. Wealth distribution becomes uneven as informal workers remain underpaid and unprotected. Measures to control shadow economy. The shadow economy can be reduced through a combination of policy reforms, technological advancement, and public awareness. Governments need to create an environment where people find it easier and more beneficial to operate within the formal economy. Tax reforms. Simplifying tax structure and lowering tax rate encourages individuals and businesses to comply with tax law instead of evading them. Promotion of digital payments. Encouraging digital transactions, UPI cards, and net banking reduces cash-based dealings and increases transparency. Ease of doing business. Simplifying registration, licensing, and compliance procedure motivates small businesses to enter the formal sector. Strict law enforcement. A strong monitoring system and strict penalties for tax evasion, smuggling, and illegal activities help drive shadow practices. Financial inclusion. Expanding access to banking services, especially in rural areas, integrate more people into the formal financial system. Awareness and education. Educating citizens about the benefits of formalization and the risk of illegal activities promote voluntary compliance. Use of technology and data analytics. Governments can take suspicious transactions and detect tax evasion using advanced technologies like AI and big data. Difference between formal and shadow economy. The formal economy includes all economic activities that are officially registered, regulated, and taxed by the government. In contrast, the shadow economy consists of unregistered and unreported activities that operate outside government control and taxation systems.